Colin,
What?
say hi to the camera. It's rolling.
Yeah, I'm a double XL.
This is going on YouTube, you realize that, right?
I don't care. It's so dumb.
Oh my god, I need a new hobby. Hide me. Don't you dare.
Well, double XL. Double XL.
I need.
Double XL.
Breathe, okay? It's okay.
I'm actually being nasty, but do you think these two would make a good couple? I do.
Yeah, I'm a double XL.
Back off, you boy.
Yeah, I'm a double
Give me my book.
XL. Oh.
Oh my god, I need a new hobby.
Is this your hobby? That's kind of creepy.
This ain't mine.
Double XL too. What should be the next?
Oh yeah, I want to finish this. This is hot, real. Go to you're never gonna be alone.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I can do that. Hey guys, you can turn that off. I'll pop the movie in now. I don't have it.
Okay. So that was Colin and Double XL from Keith Anderson.
Hey guys,
Yeah,
we finished the
pretty
last
interesting.
minute.
Goodbye.
Cheyenne?
I know.
Shania?
Bye.